Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see process associative virtual role from Bangalore. This is all the job description and everything. They mentioned all over India, they are mentioning here. This is the proficiency in qualification and MS SQL. This is all the main things. Everything they mentioned here about the job description. So watch the video till end. I am going to explain how to apply everything. So if you have any doubt while filling the form, comment me in the comment section. I will help you. So they didn't mention any qualification, they just go directly to the skills. They mentioned SQL, MS Office, Excel. The states will be Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Maharashtra, Punjab and Rajasthan. Relocate should be there. So everything they mentioned here. And next one will be, this is the form. Where did you get the form, from agency or campus? So just your job board, which job board, something you give, no problem in this. And your name, email ID, phone number, alternate phone number, the star and all mandatory things. And your date of birth, you just want to give male or female, citizen, Indian, you just want to give no, I have no disability. Like that, you just want to give what is the meaning for disability. If you are having any injury, wound in their body, like that only it will ask as a disability. Your address and current city which you are from, and degree, experience, backlog is there in your semester exam, arrears, any business requirement or willing overtime, no. Everything just want to give no. And your PAN number you should write, your community telephone phone number, yes. Everything, I have been employed before, no. And working before employee, no. Your resume, CV and resume both are same only. And your photo, by clicking all this, just want to submit it. This is the registration process for process associative virtual role, Pan India job opportunity. So apply as much quickly. While filling this form, if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel, guys.